Hey YouTubers, so I'm going to be making shrimp stir fry today. So medium.
It was stop your mic. Stop it. We ain't gonna do no spanking. Don't pick me up again. No! 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 I said no! I said no! No!
So the ingredients said put sesame oil. I don't have sesame oil, so I put some more olive oil. And it said you can go ahead and stir in the broccoli and everything to stir fry, so that's what I'm gonna do. So it said put garlic and ginger. I'm gonna put some garlic and ginger in there once I put the stir fry. Right now I'm just wiping down my area. I like to clean as I cook. And some juices still on the table. I'm just wiping down with a napkin. Yeah, but I got the stir fry in there. That's the stir fry. And I'm going to let it sizzle for a minute, but while it's sizzling, I'm gonna add some ground ginger and some granulated garlic. This is what I have in my cabinet right now. I couldn't do anything a little fresher, but guess what? Next time I'll be better prepared. But right now I'm gonna use what I have in my kitchen. So this is the stir fry, as you can see. And it's sizzling, if you can hear it. And I have the shrimp right here. So the directions says that I have to season it with the garlic and the ginger, and I should smell a great aroma. So I'm ready to smell that great aroma, honeys. And now I'm just going to go ahead and season it. This is the ginger. Ginger. Now guys, I'm going to be adding the garlic. I love garlic. Any type of garlic, I love it. So, I put some garlic. And now I'm going to stir it on up so it can cook all of that good tasting flavor into the stir fry. And like I said, y'all, I'm just stirring it right now. And I have it on medium heat. I'm going to read the directions to see if they want me to turn it up a little bit more. I don't know. But it said it wanted it on medium heat. So I'm going to keep it there for right now while I'm mixing it. Make sure I'm mixing that out of it. I'm just gonna let that sizzle. Hey guys, so it wants me to add some brown sugar, which I got right here in this bag right here. That's brown sugar. And it wants me to add some cornstarch and some soy sauce. So I'm gonna add that into this red bowl. And I'm gonna mix it all together, and then I'm gonna add it to that mixture over there in the sink. I mean, not the sink, I'm sorry. In the skillet. And then I'm gonna add the shrimp, and then I'm just gonna let it all cook together. So that's over there sizzling. Let's go. As you see, it's still over here sizzling, cooking, and we got the shrimp. So right now I've mixed up everything, guys. The soy sauce and the cornstarch and the brown sugar, and now I'm just going to pour it on in there and coat it. And I'm going to go ahead and pour the shrimp. Oops. Well, actually, I'll put the shrimp in there and then I'll be right back, guys. So I am back, everybody. I got everything mixed up together. I didn't put the shrimp on the stir fry. I put all the seasonings and everything. It's cooking. And I'm letting it simmer. And I'm going to go ahead and mix it in. And then after that, we will see how it tastes, because I'm going to fix the kids their plates, and then I'm going to figure out what else I'm going to cook later. But this is my shrimp stir fry, a recipe that I just did off Google, and it looks so good. It smells good. I will say that. They said that you're going to smell a good aroma. It smells real good. So right now, I'm just going to mix it in, guys. Oh my God, guys, this is so good. I got this off of Google, and it tastes so good. Wow. What y'all think? Does it look good?